Have you seen those really amazing acrylic pouring videos? I've been kind of addicted to them. It's an oddly satisfying painting technique where people pour acrylic paints of various colors. They either blow dry it, swirl it, let it drip off. There's so many different techniques within acrylic pouring. And it creates these really beautiful art pieces and brings happy little accidents a whole new meaning. So today I decided I'm gonna try it for the very first time. I'm gonna be using a colander. It creates a really cool pattern, and we're actually going to be using this art piece, hopefully if it comes out good, in our bedroom. All right, so I got a big canvas here set up, and then I have some paints already mixed. I used this pouring medium to make the acrylic a little bit thinner, and then I realized I probably should have got bigger cups because this is a really big canvas. So I have these small little cups. I'll probably have to refill them, but that's okay. I ordered this off of Amazon, and then you just place it in the middle. I'm nervous. So I chose colors that will kind of like blend well together, the pinks, blues, and then white, of course. So I guess let me start off with the purple. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need so much more paint than this. All right. So I'm gonna start off by pouring that in. Oh, it's already going. Next, let's do a little bit of this darker pink. I'm gonna need so much more paint than this. Why didn't I think this through? Okay, I'm gonna do some white. It's already making a shape, which is kind of cool. I might have made it too thin. I'm not sure. Bigger cups is definitely a must. And I dripped the paint. I needed more white, so I'm just gonna, I wonder if I just straight up put the white in here. Definitely gonna need more paint. I didn't think this through. This is looking horrible. We'll see. Happy accidents. I'm just gonna go with the flow. It's a little bit thicker. I don't really know how fast I'm supposed to be working here, but since I have these tiny cups, I feel like it's so slow. These were like barely full. I'm gonna try turning some of my actual acrylics into this liquid paint. Oh yeah, that's a lot of paint. Okay, let's try this. So I've tried looking for more paints. I really didn't think this through. I thought I could use these small paints, but I guess you need like a shit ton. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is take this guy off, and then we're just gonna try tilting it. Let's drip it. I'm getting excess in here to add variation. I have no idea what I'm doing. Whoa. So that moves really fast because I put in a lot of this liquid. So I want some of the white to mix with the pink. I really do like the light purple. Ooh, that's looking so cool. Okay, hold up. I don't know. Now there's a lot of purple. This is crazy. Okay. Look at all that purple though. Whoa, there it goes. All right, so I think I've just about used all of the color. It's not really moving as quickly as it was before. This looks nothing like I planned, but that's okay. So since I don't have enough paint, I'm gonna try this blow drying technique. I wasn't planning on doing this. I'm using my freaking dry bar. This is not for crafts. I have one more little thing of white left, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of it along the edges over here to kind of blend in. And we're gonna see how this goes. I'm a little bit nervous for this. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Whoa! That's crazy! Oh my gosh. Okay, this is looking pretty cool. I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna turn it. I'm sweating. I need to turn the AC on. All right, I'm liking it so far. It looks nothing like I've planned. I know it doesn't go all the way to the edge. I might add a little more white like right in here to help with that. Now I'm just doing little touch-ups. So I'll pour a little bit here. Cool, I like it. This is crazy. So it kind of happened as a mistake because I was loving the way it looked as it poured, but like as I blew it, it kind of just made these crazy patterns. So I left some of it in here where you get like these really pretty mixtures of color, like right here too. I really love that, and right in here. But I think it's pretty cool. Let me see what my hubby thinks. I think I want to put more white along the edges though, so we can get canvas all over.
Whoa, that looks cool.
Do you like it?
Yeah, looks like it would be a marble top.
Huh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just add some white on the edges over here and then blend so I get white along everything. I think I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. Do have a little bit of like bumps in here from like the paint thickening and then trying to blow dry it and move it. So definitely need to have the right amount of paint ready. But other than that, I actually really like it.
I think you did a great job.
You like it?
Yeah.
I want to do it again. I want to try it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now all I need to do is let it dry and then put it on the wall, and that's when we'll know if we're gonna keep it. All right, so I'm gonna attempt this again with this thing because I really wanted to see if I could do it. So I have a smaller canvas because I don't have as much paint left, and I hope that this is gonna be enough. I have blues, greens, and whites. Let's see how this goes. Fingers crossed that I don't run out of paint again. I'm gonna start off with the blue, this light blue color. So I don't wanna pour all of it. Green next. Just a little bit. I'll put some white. Oh, it looks like the Earth. Looks like planet Earth. This is gonna go all the way along the sides. Oh my gosh. We have so much blue. I'm gonna do more green. It's already dripping off the sides. Yay, we have enough paint. Let me lift this up. Look at how cool the pattern is. And then we gotta move it around a little bit. Just a little. Kind of losing the design. Oh geez. Oh my gosh, this was looking like super cool. Now I just got a bunch of green. It still looks really cool. I'm trying to not center this. I want the blue. Let's just move it around, see what we get. This looks like planet Earth. It's so cool. It's super runny. It looks nothing like the design that I wanted. Let me clean up these edges. So let me like, just make this look a little nicer. Along all the edges. This is real drippy. I think I could actually do another one. Luckily I have a bunch of old canvases that I never use. So let me get this back on. Gloves are definitely required for this. Let's do a little bit of green first, so it could be on the outsides. And this one, I'm gonna let it drip all the way. I'm gonna let it go all the way. So let's add some more blue. Oh my gosh, it's gonna drip. Some more yellow. Oh, I think I'm like out of yellow. Almost. Ooh, it's dripping. Should I pick this up? Let's pick this up to see how it looks. I'm more concerned about the corners here. I'm gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it and let it do its thing. How about green? Okay, that definitely will push it over the edges. It's going. It's overflowing. I might have to push it around a little bit. All right, I don't think I'll get a second canvas going, but let's go ahead and lift this guy. All right, the middle's all funky, but let's see if we can move this around a little bit. It gets rid of that cool pattern whenever I do this, but we still get something really cool in the end. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go down this way. Oh, I really like the way that blue and yellow looks on the side. It's so cool. I'm gonna let this edge fall off more because I don't like the way the blue and the green look, so let's just let it like run off. There's another one. This looks so cool. Number 2, done. Those look really cool together. I'm really happy. I can make one with this. Like I should have put a canvas underneath this to make one with all of this paint. You know what? I'm gonna try this. What if I just dip it in here? Ooh, that's kind of cool. Hold on. That's super cool, just from dipping it in the excess paint that I had. I love it. I actually really like it. And then the edges, I'm just gonna dip them in this. Don't mind me. Just getting creative here. And we got another painting. That's awesome. Okay, I'll let them dry and then we'll come back and check on them once they're done, probably tomorrow.